In this video, I will cover dynamic chart with VLOOKUP and match function. For this, I am taking a data of salesman and sale of their in respective months. This is of January month, Feb month, and it will go up to August month. Now here, what do you mean by dynamic chart? Here, see, here whenever I will change the salesman, I am going to change it month, and this is the data of month, and this will extract from this main table and automatically draw the chart of month. Similarly, here I am going to change the salesman to Donald, and it is the chart of Donald. The dynamic means this. Now I'm going to see how to do it. This is my drop down list, and here this data I am extracting by using the VLOOKUP and match function. I have copied this data. This is the salesman data. First I am going to copy whole heading, that is the months as well as the salesman. Just Ctrl C and Ctrl V. Here create the drop down list. For this, go to the data validation. This is the, here select the list. This is the source. Select all the salesman without heading. This is from Pradeep to Manu. This is a D32 to D40. Okay. This is my drop down list. Here I can choose any name. Now I have to extract the data of Donald of January month. Here I will apply the VLOOKUP function. VLOOKUP, my lookup value is Donald, so click over here. I will get the cell reference, lock it by pressing the F4 because it is my unique value, single value. Lookup table without heading, select whole table. So I am selecting from D32 to L40. Column index number. This is my Gen is my second column of the selected table. So this is my second column. Here I am typing 2. And exact match. For this, click on false or type 0. I will get the data of Donald of January month. Same I am copying over here and change the column. Oops, it has changed the January month, so I am doing Ctrl Z. Change the in Feb month, change it to 3rd. This is the data of the Feb month of Donald. But this is very tough if I have to get the data of all months. Now here I am going to use the match function. First copy the formula. See, I am going to change the column index number with match. This is the match function. It will return the column number which will match to this March month from the selected array. This is my reference lookup value G45. Don't lock it because I have to extract the data of April, May, June and so on. This is my lookup table. Lock it and get the exact match over here. This is for exact match. This is my table from D31 to L31. This is the D31 to L31 because I have to match this month from these headings. and this is my exact match, and this is my lookup value exact match. Now see, I will get the data of March month and copy the formula over here, and without changing anything I will get the data of all months. Whenever I will change the salesman, I will get the sales of all months of Mickey. Now see how it becomes very easy to extract the data of particular salesman. Now select it, and I'm going to draw the chart. This is my column chart. This is my column chart. It has drawn chart of Mickey automatically. When now I'm going to put the labels. Whenever I will change the salesman, I'm going to change it to Mahak. This is the data of the Mahak and its corresponding chart. This is the dynamic chart. I'm going to change it to Abacus. It will change the chart to Abacus. This is my all salesman. I can change to any salesman and draw the chart.